Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It is a brand new video for you again today on the house again. So for the house fans and the people who like the house content, that's what today's video is going to be about. Just to give you a quick recap on where we have got to so far, if you've not seen the other videos, since purchasing the house, we've done the driveway, we've done some block paving around the back, some fencing, front garden, was sort of put to a bit of green, and also I have updated the porch area, so it's got some new grey clad with some recessed spot lamps and a brand new front door. That pretty much brings you up to date with what I've filmed so far. So this video is going to be moving on from there. We went on to replace all of the windows in the whole house. This is the state of the windows that are with the property. They're 30 years old. Some of them are completely blown. Some of them are well on their way out. So we were going to be replacing the whole lot. I had a firm in to do this. I didn't actually film them in action, but here are some of the shots. Okay, so that's the new windows installed. You might have noticed in a clip of that, if you were really on the game, that a couple of the windows were still the old ones. That's because those windows and door are going to be changed out of a second phase. So we didn't want to replace them because there's something else happening there later on in this build. Anyway, on the whole, we're really pleased with the windows. They've made a huge difference to both the soundproofing and the installation value on the house, and it certainly improves the look as well, so that's really good. The next thing is you might have noticed in a couple of those shots that the fascias were really sort of looking like they need a bit of TLC, and they were it's mainly surface paint and stuff, so they're nice and solid. But what we are doing is overcladding them with the UPVC. And so we got another firm in to do that who were extremely professional. I was really pleased with the results of what they did. And that has now really pulled the outside up. So where it was lacking with, the fascias looking a bit tired and the windows looking a bit tired, as you can see now in these shots, things are looking a lot better on the outside. So the exterior is really looking good now, with the exception of the doors and windows that we haven't changed. Everything's looking really good. Have also, you might notice, changed the garage doors, so they've been replaced on both garages. We've gone with this sort of grey anthracite electric door, which is on like a roller shutter. The old ones were a bit dangerous, to be honest. The originals were electric, but they sort of flipped out, and yeah, this mechanism is much safer, and it's got all alarm systems built onto them as well. So that's another thing that's really improved the exterior look of the house. And being a roller shutter, there's more room at the front. You can load things nearer to the front of the door without having to worry. So that's worked out well. That's going to be a wrap for this video. There's plenty more house content to come. Some of the things that I wanted to do sort of sooner into this build than I'm getting round to have really sort of had to change in priority, because something that's going to happen later on with the house is going to affect that. So it's been a real eye-opener doing this house stuff, that some of the projects that I've been doing have not necessarily been done in the order that I would have liked to have done them. But it is all going to be coming to the channel, and I will be getting a bit more content than I did previously, because I'm a little bit more involved with those projects. The next video coming on the house project is going to be where I take the sitting room from this to this. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on these videos, and hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you thought it was any good. See you soon. Take care.